Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can change the topics and add some topics to your Facebook group. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to go to your Facebook group. So for example here, I'm going to go to my Facebook group and go to my post topics. So right now I have one post topic that it's called entrepreneur. There are two ways that you can create the topics, and one is by going to your group, going to the admin tools, and then you go to post topics, and then you will create a topic. So for example, I'm gonna write here homeschooling, and you click on save, and then you now have another topic. So for example, my group is the Entrepreneur Mommy Community, and I post articles mainly about motherhood, homeschooling, parenting, kids activities, crafts, things to do at home, things to do outdoors, and activities just to keep your children entertained at home with day-to-day activities. So for example, right now I'm going to go to some of my posts. So I'm gonna go and click on home, and I'm going to add a topic to my posts. So right now here, this one I posted this morning. Okay, so I'm going to add a post topic, and this is a great way to identify your posts by topic, and then you can go through the topics and search like more specifically about what you need to find. For example, here, as you can see here, I don't have anything for homeschooling yet, but once I click on add post topic, and for this one is going to be entrepreneur, so I'm gonna select that and I'm gonna click on save. Okay, so now you can see down here that it says entrepreneur, and now if I want to go through that topics, I want to go here, popular topics in posts. So you will see here entrepreneur, that are two posts, and homeschooling. So right now you can see here entrepreneur, and if you click on it, you will see only these two posts, so it will filter by them. You can also go and add some other topics to your posts. So for example, if you want to go through your posts and add a topic within the post, you will go and for example go here, and this post is about kids activities, so you will click on here on the three dots on the right side of the post, and you will click on add post topic. Once that you add that, you can either choose a topic here or add a new one. So you can add here kids activities. So you will type the name of the post that you want to add, and you will click on that plus symbol button here, and now you have add a new post topic here. You will click on save, and you can see here that there is a new topic that it's called kids activities, and now you will be able to see this here on the popular topics in posts. How? Just click on refresh, and now you can see here kids activities as a new topic on your group. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. You can use two methods. One is to going through the admin tools and post topics, or the other one is just to add the topic to your post. and it's really easy. You just click on the three dots, click on edit post topic. You can also change the post topic here, for example, and you can remove these and go through the topics and add homeschooling, for example. You click on save, and now you will go and click on homeschooling. And homeschooling, you have one post and you have 0 posts under kids activities. Let's refresh here, and as you can see, kids activities doesn't have any posts right now. And if you go to homeschooling here, you will be able to see this one post, and on entrepreneur you will be able to see these 2 posts. I hope you find this video useful, and if you want me to do more tutorials about Facebook and all the things that you can do within Facebook, just let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button over here. Thank you for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.